come with me to visit my friends. So I started by arranging my things, head straight to the bathroom, had my shower, and then come out. This is a good news. I decided to be all glammed up, and this is what I am wearing. In the process of thinking that I'm done, I noticed that my cloth is bad and I have to change it to this one. So I opted for this black chiffon top, and I hope it's giving on the shorts. Button my shirt, wear my wristwatch, get to my dressing mirror, get my necklace, and then wear my necklace. Using my simple facial toner to clean my face, helping myself with this lantern fan to help dry. Apply my Precious Luxury Beauty Zone face cream, and then move straight with my sunscreen from my face to my neck. It is time to smell nice. I always tell people don't smell like a problem, so please spray something. So after spraying all my perfume, I have to arrange them back. Apply my release repair balm from Precious, and then move my chair to its position. So after that, it's time to prep my hair. So I have to get my hair oily, apply it on my hair, comb it very well, and then wear it on my hair. Trying to arrange it very well to make sure everything sits in, and it's time to head out. Head out of my door straight to where I'm going to. Have to lock my door. So it's time to go. Let's leg out right now. P shared good news with me that she wants me to come and see, and I'm going there right now. So as a rich auntie, I have to withdraw money from POS, jump into the keke, and then start moving. Since my mechanic is not done with my Lamborghini, I have to start sweating profusely. I am actually not used to hot weather. My face, as the first time of jumping into keke, I have to hold that in very so that I will not fall. Pay the man, collect my change, and move into another bus. What a hectic. Oh, again, there is no need to jump in one box to another. You can see how my face is looking. We encountered a little bit of traffic here, and it was a whole lot for me. I was like, God, my mechanic should not have done this to me at all. But for my good mind, who am I? I have to go and see my friend and hear the good news and also see it and feel it with my own hand. So at this junction, this is the third keke I'm entering, and I have to call her because I forgot the address of the place. Then I asked her, she told me, and then I pay my keke guy, drop out of the keke, and I'm going to enter another one. Trust me, if you're used to flights, you will know that this journey that I did is even more than a flight walk, okay? Away, rich auntie vibes, don't say flights don't work. Oh. So this is me going into another keke, and I move straight, showing you guys some grace of God upon this street, different things that they are selling, even market people and malam them. I also saw. And then I say, who am I? If I no film waiting again, absolutely nothing. This is me. I was so tired, so frustrated. Finally, I paid the man, drop out of the keke, and I am not entering another one again. B, if you're watching this video, you need to really pay me. Get to her gate, open the gate, and then let's share the good news together. Oh. See my baby girl. See my baby girl. In fact, I didn't hear that all the way, all road list. Guys, this is my baby girl's new lounge. What a check, money good. Do you have a big friend? Do you have? Woo! I will scream down my voice. This is your office? Yes. When will I be coming here? Oh, Jesus, this is so beautiful, please. They said they won't go back to Upwork. Guys. I'm so happy for you, baby girl. Ah, God is good. Guys, here is our kitchen. Ah, baby girl. Honestly speaking, I'm happy for B. Congratulations, baby girl. After that, I said, who am I now? I have to eat. You guys know me. After eating, we jump into the next business of the day, and this is me showing my tired face because I have to remove everything. Did my online interview. After the online interview, I moved straight. I said, let me start going to the house before it gets dark. This is me getting to the house. On getting to the house, open my burglary, entered inside. And can you guys believe that till now, my mechanic has not brought back my Lamborghini? Who does that? If you've not watched my visit to my friend, then you're missing out. Because this is like a continuation of that vlog, and I'm so super hungry. And right now, since my mates are not around, I need to eat fried rice and chicken. Again, I check. I can't drive because my driver has not brought back my Lamborghini. So anyways, let me test the sakpa gari of the normal common people. Story for the gospel. So this is me putting my gari jari, adding my sugar, and then I'll be adding my granuts. No matter how rich you are, if you've not tried all this sakpa gari, then you've not tried anything at all. After that, I said, let me try drinking sachet water for the first time in my life. My gari jari, came back to pick water, and then I went back to eat. You guys know, what can I not do with lantern fan? Okay, I have to place my lantern fan, say my prayer, and then start eating. After my food, I have to go drop my plate, get my limo glass cleaner, clean, and then make sure my glass is okay, and then push back my chair. Went back to my sink to go and wash my dishes. You guys already know the rules, no keeping of dirty plates, okay? So I have to do the dishes. After doing the dishes, wash my sink, clean my sink wall, do all the necessary things that I need to do just to make sure that everywhere is nice and clean. Press my rag 100 times, clean everywhere to make sure that the sink is also dried. And then I move straight to the room because I need to change. Sort out my clothes from the wardrobe, remove my hair, remove my wristwatch, remove all the other things that I'm wearing, and then I move straight to the bathroom to have my shower. After my shower, I came back to the bedroom to change my clothes. You can imagine me being hot after my shower, and I have to come back to refill my liquid soap. I usually make this soap myself, so this is me refilling my liquid soap for washing plates. I have to add my green color. The one I used to wash clothes, I didn't add any color, so I have to arrange every other thing. If you've not follow, like, comment, and share. See you in my next vlog. Bye.